Hey guys, so I've been using this Rokinon lens for like a couple of months now, and I really like this lens because it's a manual lens and it helps me shoot video, and it was pretty cheap. It's let me see, it's this lens right here. It's the Rokinon 35 f 1.2. The lens it's pretty sized lens. I use it for my Fuji X-T2 and Fuji X-T20, and I love this glass. And quite recently, I was looking for something that could replace this lens because this lens has served its purpose, and I wanted to see, because a lot of people were talking about the Mitakon 0.95 lens, and I was kind of skeptical because I was like, why do I need two manual lenses? And I saw some footage on YouTube, and I was like, wow, let me try it out. So I picked this lens up a couple weeks ago, and I went on vacation. I didn't get a chance to open it, and just hold on a second, hold on. Ha, here it is, here's the box, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open it. Here we go. Let me see here. I don't want to cut into the item inside, so I have to be careful. Let's open it from. Kind of bought it secondhand, so it doesn't come with that nice, pretty little box that it comes with. Yeah. So this lens is by Zhongzi something. Is like a Chinese lens, and you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out, test it out, put it on my camera, test it against this one, and see which one I'm gonna keep. So if I keep one, the other one, of course, I'm gonna sell. I can't have two 35 mils lens. I love this one because it's 0.95. So I'm gonna keep one. I'm gonna sell the other one, and we'll see. You know, which one is worth keeping. And remember, on my APS-C cameras, this is equivalent to a 50 mil. So it's more like in the 50 mil range. So a 35 mil is like a 50 mil on the APS-C sensor. So, you know, I love that look of the APS-C sensor, 50 mil on the APS-C sensor. So definitely we're gonna go out, shoot this lens, and I'll come back to my final conclusion. It's pretty heavy. Hey guys, I'm back again. So before I go outside to shoot with this lens, I want to talk a little bit about this lens and my setup. So what I have here, I have the lens right here. The thing you notice when you take the lens out is the focus ring is smooth, and it does extend a little bit, just a little bit. The aperture ring is so smooth compared to the Rokinon. It clicks in the aperture, which sometimes is annoying because, you know, you can hear that with your mic. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But this is a great lens. It's also a great lens, and it's pretty cheap for the price. And this one, clickless. It doesn't even make a sound. So buttery smooth. And let's open it and take a look at it. And I got this for a good steal. I got this for about $400. And Fred Miranda, if you don't know what that is, I'm probably gonna put a link to Fred Miranda. It's something where photographers and videographers can share, you know, their photo experiences, and you can also buy and sell equipment on Fred Miranda. I've been using them for about a year now. So check out this optics in this lens. It's amazing. I mean, quite nice and hefty. It's pretty. I love the weight. It just shows quality. It's made of all metal build. I mean, this one was a bit metal and plastic. So I mean, it's still a good lens. I mean, so, and this one goes for about $400, while this one at the on the website at Mitakon or B&H goes for about $600. So I got it for $200 cheaper, and You know, to me that's a great steal, because you know these lenses they're hard to find too, so used on the market. I mean, if you go to Amazon right now, these lenses are going for $800 and $600 and some ridiculous prices. But you know, so the first thing I'm gonna do when I got this step-up ring, so let's open this ring. So I usually put a step-up ring on all my lenses, pretty much. I like to have my lenses at a 67 mil, because I have a 67 mil variable ND filter by Syrup. So if you want to know what an ND filter is, just sunglasses for your lens when it's bright outside. You know, I'm probably going to use it when I go outside and shoot with this lens, so you guys can see what it does. But so if you're looking for a 50 mil, it's a 35 mil, of course. But on the APS-C sensor, it is a 50 mil. It's considered 50 mil on the APS-C sensor. But if you're looking for that focal length with the 50 mil, if you have the money to shed, this is the lens for you. I love this lens. I love the Rokinon. But the thing with the Rokinon is it's plasticky and it just stops. It's a 1.2. The Mitakon is a 0.95. Now you ask, do you ever shoot at 0.95? Yes. I don't really shoot video at 0.95. I usually take pictures at 0.95. 0.95 gives you this nice, creamy, blown out background. 1.2 does, but 0.95, just that extra crispy, blown out background. And you know, the lens just feels like a quality material. It's made of all metal build, and it just feels good in the hand. It's not too bulky, it's just right. This is a great lens, that's a great lens. Whichever one you decide to go with, you're making a good buy. Needless to say, I am keeping the Mitakon, so I am gonna be selling this lens. So if anybody wants to get this lens, I don't know how much I'm gonna put it for. I'm probably gonna look on eBay or Amazon and see what the lowest price is, and I'm gonna put it for the lowest price I see. I think on Amazon I saw it for $349 because I paid $415 with shipping for something for it. But I think it went down to like $349 price range, so I'm gonna probably bring it below that, maybe $325. I don't think I need two 35mm lenses, and it's a great buy. I mean, for any of you that love shooting video and wants to get a manual focus lens, this is the lens for you. This is the 1.2 35mm. It's a great lens. If you have any questions about the Mitakon or this lens, please give me a ring down below. And if you know, I have some boxes that I'm gonna unbox right now. I'm not gonna tell you what they are, so if you really want to know what they are, just stay on the channel and subscribe right down there. Oh, is it right here? Right somewhere right here. Just click that subscribe button. It's free to you, so subscribe. I'm gonna try to start posting more on the channel, and that's all I have to say for you guys. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.